Dear students, in this lecture we are going to start about the properties of inverse function. There are so many properties of inverse function. First one is formulae for reciprocal numbers. First one, cosec inverse x is equal to sine inverse 1 by x, where mod x is greater or equal 1 or x belongs to r minus minus 1 to plus 1. Cosec inverse x is equal to sine inverse 1 by x. The meaning is that the cosec inverse 2, we can write it sine inverse 1 by 2. So if x, then it is 1 by x. Next, sec inverse x is equal to cos inverse 1 by x. Condition is same. Mod x is greater or equal 1 or x belongs to r minus minus 1 to plus 1. Third one, cot inverse x is equal to tan inverse 1 by x if x equal to 0. If x is greater than 0. Otherwise, pi plus tan inverse 1 by x if x is less than 0. In any condition, x equal to not 0. If x equal to 0, then cot inverse x does not exist. Now, formula for opposite numbers. There are 6 formula for opposite numbers. First one, sine inverse minus x is equal to minus sine inverse x, where mod x is less or equal 1 or x belongs to minus 1 to plus 1. You know that minus 1 to plus 1 is the domain of sine inverse x. Cos inverse minus x. The answer is pi minus cos inverse x. See the difference. If sine inverse minus x, then minus sine inverse x. If cos inverse minus x, then pi minus cos inverse x, where mod x is less or equal 1, minus 1 to plus 1, it is the domain of cos inverse x. Third one, tan inverse minus x is equal to minus tan inverse x, where x belongs to r, because if x belongs to r is the domain of tan inverse x. Cot inverse minus x is equal to pi minus cot inverse x. Here x belongs to r also. Fifth one, cosec inverse minus x minus cosec inverse x, where mod x is greater or equal 1 or x belongs to r minus minus 1 to plus 1. Condition is necessary because this condition shows the domain of cos inverse x or sec inverse x. Sec inverse minus x is equal to pi minus sec inverse x, where mod x is greater or equal 1. So, these 6 formula are called the formula of opposite numbers. In the last bunch, of this session is formula of complementary this is the last batch. Formula for complementary numbers. First one, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2, where mod x is less or equal 1. Mod x is less or equal 1 means the domain of sin inverse and cos inverse is x belongs to -1 to +1. मतलब domain of sin inverse x and cos inverse x is -1 to +1, same domain, so sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Second one, cosec inverse x plus sec inverse x, both function have same domain, it is mod x is greater or equal 1, this is modulus form. And the last is tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to also pi by 2, where x belongs to R. For example, if sin inverse 2 by 3 plus cos inverse 2 by 3, then what is the answer? You can see sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. See here, sin inverse 2 by 3, this is x, and cos inverse 2 by 3. The value of x is same, 2 by 3, so answer is pi by 2. For example, tan inverse 1 by 2 plus cot inverse 1 by 2, the answer is pi by 2. Value of tan inverse 1 by 2 is not known value. Value of cot inverse 1 by 2 is also not known value. But the sum of tan inverse 1 by 2 and cot inverse 1 by 2 is equal to pi by 2. Suppose cosec inverse 5 plus sec inverse 5, answer is pi by 2. So the formula of complementary numbers are used this way. Now the formula for reciprocal numbers and formula for opposite numbers, we are going to start this application of those formula. Type 2. Find the values of inverse trigonometric functions by using this formula. First sum, sin inverse minus 1 by 2. What is the value of sin inverse minus 1 by 2? By using the formula for opposite number, we can write minus sin inverse 1 by 2, because we know that sin inverse minus x is equal to minus sin inverse x. So we can write minus sin inverse 1 by 2. Now minus sin inverse 1 by 2 matlab sin pi by 6. Now you can composite these two functions. It is minus pi by 6. Sin inverse 1 minus pi by 2. So you can write minus sin inverse 1 by 2. But See another sum. Suppose cos inverse minus 1 by 2 is given. Now you don't write minus cos inverse minus 1 by 2 because cos inverse minus x is equal to pi minus cos inverse x. So pi minus cos inverse 1 by 2. So pi minus cos inverse 1 by 2 is equal to cos pi by 3. So pi minus, now the composition of cos and cos inverse, it is pi by 3. So 3 pi minus pi is 2 pi by 3. So you can find the values of inverse trigonometric functions by using opposite number formula or in reciprocal formula. See more illustration. Third one. Suppose cosec inverse cosec 4 pi by 3. Now cosec and cosec inverse, you can't compose it directly because the range of cosec inverse is minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 minus 0, and 4 pi by 3 does not belongs to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 minus 0. So you have to convert cosec. Now 4 pi by 3 is written as pi plus pi by 3. Understand? Pi plus pi by 3. So 3 pi plus pi, 4 pi by 3. Now cosec inverse, cosec pi plus theta. What is cosec? Pi plus theta is equal to minus cosec theta because it is addition formula. Cosec pi plus theta. Pi plus theta matlab it is in third quadrant. And in third quadrant, cosec is negative. So minus cosec pi by 3. Now we can use opposite formula. Minus cosec inverse cosec pi by 3. Now you can see pi by 3 belongs to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So the composition is possible. So minus pi by 3 is the answer. Now the fourth sum, cos pi by 2 minus sin inverse 2 by 5 minus sin 3 pi by 2 minus cos inverse 4 by 5 and 10 cot inverse pi by 4. You can see cos pi by 2 minus theta. You know the addition formula. Cos pi by 2 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Cos pi by 2 minus theta. If we assume sin inverse 2 by 5 is equal to theta, then it is pi by 2 minus theta. So answer is sin theta. What is theta? Sin inverse 2 by 5. Function will be changed into sin cos from function will be changed. If cos is given, then function will become sin. Now sin 3 pi by 2 minus theta. It is 3 pi by 2 minus theta. It is third quadrant. In third quadrant, sin is negative. That is why answer is negative. 3 pi by 2 minus theta. So sin will be converted to cos. Plus 10. This is cot inverse 5 upon 4. So tan inverse 4 by 5. We are using the reciprocal formula in this case. Now sin inverse and sin the range of sine function, sine is the outer function. The range of sine function is minus 1 to plus 1. 2 by 5 belongs to minus 1 to plus 1. That is why it will be composite. Now minus minus plus, cos inverse and cos, it will be composite. 4 by 5. Tan inverse and tan, so answer is 4 by 5. 5 is LCM. 2 plus 4 plus 6, 2 plus 4, 6 plus 4, 10. So 10 by 5, answer is 2. So now self practice, homework. You can do all the sums from textbook. Numbers are as per given. Exercise 2.2, sum number 11, 12, 14, 16, 17, 19, 20 and 21. And exercise number 2. Number 2. Example number 1 and 2. Try to do all the sums. Okay, thank you.